it has nothing to do with it because lightweight M2M actually works on top of MQTT. So you can use lightweight M2M on top of MQTT, on top of HTTP, on top of CoAP. What it adds to an existing transport protocol, it adds things like a bootstrap. A bootstrap is a very complex process, but is all specified by lightweight M2M, and that is certainly easy to use. That simple action is defined by lightweight M2M. It's not a transport protocol, it's a device management protocol. Yes, it's true that lightweight M supports read operations, that the server can read in that sense. It's also true that a server can ask to be to observe a status of a given variable. So you can ask a device to report on every 50 minutes, every hours to report its status. But it's also true that a device by itself can just report and without the need of the server and sending anything. So a lightweight M2M send operation allow a device to report directly to a server without the need whatsoever that the server says something. You have certainly some dependency on the server, but you also, inside lightweight M2M, you have definition of fallback. So you can, in case you don't have the server is not appearing, you have fallback rules that can apply and make the device resilient to those risks that can happen. Yes, it's true with all these 1.1 version, but 1.2 allows you, lightweight M2M 1.2 allows you to do that in one operation so that you don't have to wait. And that's one path. And here, lightweight M2M over CoAP, over UDP, does work into unreliable network. And there are a lot of possibilities that are offered by CoAP to manage congestions. And you can definitely make it work even on very difficult network conditions. Lightweight M2M works over CoAP, over UDP, but lightweight M2M works over MQTT, works over HTTP, over CoAP, over TCP, CoAP over SMS, and even CoAP over LoRaWAN, if LoRaWAN was able to provide some backward channel, which is not the case today. And that's important that you know about it because it's not only one thing. You can also do CoAP over narrowband IoT and NIDD, non-IP data delivery, which is also an important definition that lightweight M2M is providing. So you can use lightweight M2M over non-IP data delivery too. Because lightweight M2M is often used with CoAP, and often people believe that, and I've seen that recently in a post with Julien Vermillard, but CoAP is not built for large payload because you have to wait when you send when you work in block mode in CoAP and you want to start and launch a large payload, you have to wait that each block gets acknowledged. And no, there is a mode that has been defined by RFC 9177 that allow you to provide all the blocks at one time, and at the end you can define whether that is if a block is missing, you can restart only for the block missing, the missing block, and not redo all the operations. So that's an important mode. The transmission mode too. The quick block mode transfer is an important thing.
Get things done